Hi, I'm Jermaine. Welcome to my channel. You're joining me here in the Canton of Bern in my mother-in-law's garden. And today I would like to show you her garden. She has multiple flower beds and lots of well-established shrubs. So let me just turn the camera and we'll be starting here in the front garden. I'll show you around and I'm just so excited. Let's take a look. And now we'll be moving more towards the back of the garden. Check out this fig bush. It has lots of fruits and they're so tasty. She also has this little pond here in the back of the garden, and the kids usually have fun in here. And you can see that she has a couple of ducks there, which are very low maintenance. They always look beautiful and they're always quiet. I don't know if you can hear a sound here, but this is also such a peaceful corner of the garden. It's just a nice place to relax in. So Kathy was out here, and earlier she told me a beautiful story about this part of the garden, which when my husband and his brother were still small, they had a vegetable garden here in the back. When she felt like she didn't want to do vegetable garden anymore, she removed everything and just had roses growing here. So when she removed the veggie garden, she put roses here, and where you see the grass right now, all of it was full with roses. That must have been really, really beautiful to look at. And with time, she felt like she needed less roses, and so she shifted. She removed part of the roses and now has just this one row. Apricot, yeah. Wunderschön. Ciao, danke dir vielmals. And of course, Kachi, what a beautiful story she has told me about her roses. And by the way, she thinks that the roses are not at their best. I see pure beauty. And some of these roses, they date back, I think that the oldest ones have been planted here for 12 years now. And some of them she's had to propagate by herself, just by cutting a few stems and putting them in soil and making more of them, basically, just like this one right here. So this is her favorite. And she made more of those here, and they look just stunning. I just love it. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? And this one may be known in other parts of the world as the Cœur de Dame, but here in Switzerland is the Adolf Ogi Rosa. Beautiful. So now we move more towards the back of the house, so to say, and this is where she has her hydrangeas. So over here she has the endless summer hydrangeas, which are nearing the end of the season right now, but they still continue to produce fresh blooms while the other ones are slowly dying back. And this looks just stunning. I don't know if you can actually see that. She does add something to the soil that makes it more acidic and does helping the hydrangeas to take the natural blue color. So maybe I should try that. I love this. I love the mixture of the blue, the purples, the pink, the white, the brown for those that are dying back already. Everything just looks beautiful. This one here in the pot, it blooms on old wood and is not classified as the endless summer from what she told me, but everything else here blooms on new wood. So here's another hydrangea, macrophilia, that is potted. Yeah, and look at the size of that. Beautiful colors. We are towards the end of the season and they're still looking beautiful. And that sign right there, Willkommen in meinem Garten, I don't need to translate that. So welcome to my garden, it is said here in German. Again, here in the back we are elevated, and down there is another lower level of the garden. It's towards the driveway, and that's where we have the Annabelle hydrangeas, which are also nearing the end of the season right now. And right next to them we have the astas, which are blooming now beautifully, looking stunning. And an airplane or a helicopter flying up there somewhere. I'm sure you can hear that. So that was it, people. I had so much fun showing you my mother-in-law's garden here in Bern, the capital canton of Switzerland. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comment box. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.